Let's fill out the Vermont cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps the signed one. If you're buying a cat from a pet dealer or pet shop in this state, here's what you need to know. The seller is required to give you a written notice of your rights at the time of sale. This form is prescribed by the secretary, so the dealer doesn't get to make it up themselves. The bill of sale must include a description of the cat, including the breed and date of purchase, your name, address, and telephone number, and the purchase price. Now, here's where it gets really important for you as a buyer. If your cat becomes ill, you have 7 days following the sale to act. If a congenital condition is discovered, that window extends to within 1 year of the sale. In either case, you have the right to return the cat and receive a full refund of the purchase price, including sales tax and reasonable veterinary fees related to the certification process. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.